Here is the MiniCraft Heat Press Pen, and I'll show you how to use it. Double-click to switch it on. When the red light's on, it's already on the high heat mode. Double-click again to switch to low heat mode, which is for folio writing. Double-click again to switch it off. So, double-clicking is for switching between modes and on and off. To do the heat pressing, double-click on the button, and you need to press and hold the button while you're doing the heat pressing. And once you release the button, the heat will go off. I think they have set the maximum heating time to be 30 seconds for one press because of safety purpose. But you can release the button and press it again to get another 30 seconds to go. All right, so let's have a try. Okay, so that's done.